Hello guys, so today I would like to explain you the basic concepts of HCF and LCM. Okay, so HCF stands for highest common factor. Okay, HCF stands for highest common factor and LCM stands for lowest common multiple, right? So these are very basic concepts of mathematics which are very much essential to learn. Okay, so what is HCF? HCF stands for highest common factor and LCM stands for lowest common multiple. Okay, so HCF means that when we find out the HCF of two or more numbers, then we need to find out the highest common factor of those two or more numbers. Okay, and whenever we find out the the LCM of two or more numbers, we need to find out the least common multiple. Okay, lowest common multiple of those numbers. Okay, so let us now assume two numbers. Okay, let's take one number to be 10. Okay, and let's take the other number to be 12. All right, so what are the factors of 10? The factors of 10 are 2 and 5. So what is a factor? A factor is any number which can divide a given number without leaving any remainder. Okay, so 2 can divide 10 without leaving any remainder, that is the remainder is 0. Similarly 5 can divide 10 without leaving any remainder. So when we divide 10 by 5, the remainder is 0. Similarly, what are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 are 2 comma 2 and 3, right? These are the factors of 12. Okay, so now HCF means the highest common factor of both 10 and 12. So what is the highest common factor of both 10 and 12? 2, right? 2 is the highest common factor. The other factors like 5, 3, okay, are not common between both these numbers. The highest common factor is 2 between both 10 and 12. So the HCF will be 2. Okay, so it's very simple. That is the basic concept of HCF, the highest common factor. Okay, so the highest common factor for for 10 and 12 is 2. Now when we need to find out the LCM, we need to find out the least common multiple, right? Least common. So a multiple is any number, okay, which gets divided by a given number without leaving any remainder. Suppose 60. Okay, so 60 is a multiple of 10 because 10 can divide 60 without leaving any remainder. Okay, but 6 is not a factor of 10, it's a multiple of 10. So that is the difference between multiple and factor. Okay, so now when we need to find out the LCM, first of all let us take the common factor. What was the common factor? 2, right? 2 was the common factor between 10 and 12. But also when we need to find LCM, we will also have to take the additional factors which are not common. So what are the additional factors of 10 and 12 which are not common? One such factor is 5. Okay, 5 is a factor of 10 but not a factor of 12. But we'll have to take 5 also. Consider 5 while finding LCM. Okay, consider the additional, or we need to take all the factors common and both the uncommon factors. Okay, the additional factors. So 5 was one factor. Similarly, we'll have to take 2 because only one 2 is common between 10 and 12, but there are two 2's in 12. So the one common factor 2 that we have taken, but the other factor that the other 2 which is not common, we'll have to take that also. All right, so we have taken 2, and the last factor which is not common is 3, right? So this is the LCM of 10 and 12. All right, so when we find out the multiplication, we get 10 5 into 10, 10 to 20, 20 into 3 is 60. So it's the LCM, the least common multiple of 10 and 12 is 60. That means that 10 can divide 60 without leaving any remainder, as well as 12 can divide 60 without leaving any remainder. So it is the least common multiple of both those numbers. Okay, no other number less than 60 is divisible by both 10 and 12. That is the basic concept of HCF and LCM. I hope you guys have understood this, the basic concept of HCF and LCM. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.